So here we're going to take a look at the Rotex sander. This has got a full system of pads and accessories that cover a lot of jobs and also to get a really good result. It'll also save you money because of unique Jetstream dust extraction that can save up to 30% in your consumable use. And it'll also give you flexibility because it's 3 tools in one, so it covers a lot of applications with just the one tool. The Rotex sander has 3 modes which allows you flexibility to do more with one tool. Rotary eccentric for heavy sanding jobs for removing material quickly, and a 5mm random orbital allows for the best finishing results. With a change of pad and a flick of a switch, it then allows for polishing and buffing applications to be completed. The Rotex sander can be used for a variety of jobs that require both coarse sanding and fine finishing. It has extensive accessories available that allow the tool to be adapted for different job requirements so that great results can be achieved quickly. Sandpaper costs can blow out with ineffective sanding systems, and this cost will far outweigh the initial tool investment. The multi-Jetstream extraction system not only extracts harmful dust from the work area, but can also reduce consumable use by up to 30% while giving you all the benefits of working quicker and safer with dust extraction. So the Rotex sander gives you versatility with a complete and comprehensive system, saves you money with reduced consumable costs, and gives you flexibility of having 3 tools in one to help you cover more applications.